Alright, that's
Okay, mount that ISO media,
which one for the
the PVS one.
previous one? Okay, I'm thinking right now.
Okay, launch it.
Okay.
Mhm. The target device installation. First option.
Okay.
Click on install. Click on next.
Thank you.
Accept it. Click on next. Next again.
So the new VMs are going to come to this host to get the drive.
No, this host will use to create a VDX only.
Oh, okay, got it.
Do not launch it. Click on finish.
Okay. Okay.
Restart it.
Okay.
Minimize that window and go back to your this one hypervisor. Now do one thing. Go to the properties of this machine. Now go to the boot options. Yeah, expand this. I want this machine to boot from network only. Where is that option?
You have to shut it down.
Yeah, shut it down. I just want to change the priority.
Mhm. Let's see if we have that option here. Boot option. No, keyboard don't need.
No, do not uncheck that. Do not uncheck that. Expand the that advance. Scroll down. No, no. Scroll up. Scroll up. Go to the virtual hardware option. Virtual hardware tab. The first tab.
Oh,
Here. What we can do? Scroll down. Nothing like that. I have seen that option somewhere long back ago, but not able to locate that right now. Mm, no, do not add new device. Go to VM option. You will find somewhere. Okay, do one thing. Go to the boot options only. Now,
mm-hmm.
in EFI mode, make it legacy. The firmware. I think it's grayed out.
Okay. It's better.
Okay, uncheck that secure boot. Uncheck the secure boot and see. Okay.
Maybe because it's created from a clone and it's kind of like it's taking from the clone image,
Yes.
maybe more than likely. So they have to create a new image um with those kind of settings.
Yes, because what is your requirement to boot any device
Mm-hmm.
from the network? Okay, do one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Cancel this, cancel
Mm-hmm.
this, cancel this.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Create new VM.
Mm-hmm.
Create new virtual machine. Now wait. Click on next. Just make it PVS test or TD, something like that. Click on next. Next again. Wait. Wait. Go back. Go back. Uh, just what is that compatibility? Okay, compatibility check succeeded. Okay, click on next. Disable the storage. Yeah, check that box. I do not want any storage for this machine, but scroll down. Mhm. Okay, scroll up. Uncheck the box. Uncheck that thing. Click on next. Next again. That is fine. Next again.
Windows 10 or it
And
doesn't matter.
anything you can select. Wait. Click
Mm-hmm.
on next. Now here in customize hardware, what are the options available? Uh, look for the boot options. Expand this. Yeah, make it legacy. Yeah, BIOS one. Now scroll up. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Maybe we can change it,
Oh,
and then it's usually when it boots up, you kind of if it goes to BIOS, then it may give you an option to boot from the
no, we can directly
yeah.
get that option. I have seen it somewhere. Okay, cancel this again. Cancel this again. Just try to deploy a VM with your virtual appliance, VSphere client.
Okay. You mean a clone?
No. Just go to your VSphere client.
Okay, vSphere client.
Yeah, from the
Uh,
URL, from the URL only. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Go to your VSphere client.
Yeah.
Click on it.
On the browser or on the host?
Not on the host, on the wait. Let me wait. Just select this machine, app server 01. Click on it. Now here, click on the configure. I'm looking for that option for a boot device priority,
Hmm.
and I have to make it boot from network
Mm-hmm.
only.
Hmm.
Guys, if anyone know where is that option, please guide. Go to the power management option. Yeah, the top one. Yeah, power management. What is that? Davinder,
Wait
Ryan,
on that.
do you know where is that option?